Tired? Who? Why? Why? Okay, so you are working in the factory? Mm-hmm. So you are jobless? Jobless? Hmm. Mm-hmm. So now you. Mm-hmm. So now you are in Taipei, right? Or Taichung? Pingtong. Oh, Pingtong. Okay. And Amina, how are you tonight? Today? Fine. Oh, yeah. Dingin. Where? Oh, emang dari room ke tempat kerja? You are working in the factory? No? Oh, Amina is in Taichung. Oh, you are working in the factory or taking. Oh, okay, okay. And Endang, how are you today? Fine. Where are you? Where is your address? Where do you live? In Taipei. Oh, you are working in the factory or what? What is your what what do you do? Oh, manpower agency. In interpreter from Chinese to Indonesia? Wah. Oh, so your office in is in Taipei. Oh, good, yeah. Mm-hmm. How long have you been here? Almost 1 year. Okay. Uh, Mbak Santi, how are you today? Fine, but you you look so tired. What happened? Oh, okay, okay. I see, I see. Okay, no problem. Okay. And Sri Rahayu, how are you today? Sri, what? Oh, okay, I see. So, Vida, how many of us in this class? Uh-huh. How many of us? Six, nine? So that. Oh, so okay. So Okay, and how many of us in this class? I mean that the total. That no, we are there are eight, yeah, eight students and four, five. So the rest, who? Okay. Santi, Neneng, Nenek. Also, so eight, yeah. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. So dingin ya cuaca ya. Hmm. So Amina ini lagi di jalan, udah nyampe rumah atau belum? Berapa menit lagi? Kalau memang apa, tunggu di rumah aja nanti nggak apa-apa. Iya, daripada kamu kedinginan kan, tunggu nyampe rumah aja nggak apa-apa. Oh, jauh ya. Hmm, Oke. Ya, kita mulai aja ya. Menunggu teman-teman yang lain, mungkin 5 menit lagi lah ya kita mulai. Mas Yoga, Mas Ria kalau belum datang nanti kita mulai ya 9.45. Jadi ini udah berapa lama semuanya di Taiwan? Wida. Oh, 2009. Oh, kalau Amina? Oh, setahun. Oh, Enda? Mhm. Hmm. Hmm. Santi? Tuh. Oh, oke, 13. Oh, oke. Berarti udah cukup lama ya di Taiwan semua ya. Mhm. And eh sebelumnya udah pernah kerja di luar negeri sebelum nyampe Taiwan. Wida, where are you? Belum ya. Oh, yes, yeah. That's true. Yeah. Hmm. So, you like living overseas, yeah? So 4 years in Singapore, 4 years in Malaysia, and 2 years. So total is 10 years plus 4 years in 4 years. Ah, it means that you have family. Oh, they're gone. Okay, no problem. Okay. Jadi long many experience, yeah. So many experience living overseas. For me, this is the first time I live in abroad. Yeah, yeah, and it's been 2 years. Jadi, yeah, first experience, and also not really young going abroad. Yeah, and yeah, it's very excited. Yeah, uh, yeah, this is my first time in Taiwan. I mean that living abroad. Yeah, living in other countries, foreign countries. This is my first time. Maybe for you, I think that you have a lot of things to see, yeah, when you are living in abroad, yeah. And Amina, before you live in Taiwan, have you ever been living in other countries? Where? In? Mm-hmm. How long? How long? How long? 2 years. So, what do you do there? What did you do there? Manpower agency. So you can speak Arabic. Oh, Anna. Assalamualaikum, ya. Anna and yeah, Habiba, Habibi. Yeah, I like Arabic. Yeah, I like Arabic. Maybe someday I will. Yeah, really, really, this is true. Yeah, this is true. I like I like to visit, but I think that maybe in the future I can visit Middle East because yeah, it is interesting. Oh, oh yeah, Arab also is interesting place. Yeah, Arab. To me, Saudi Arabia is also interesting, but of course, money. Yeah, if you go somewhere, you need money. Yeah, I I am jobless now. Yeah, I'm jobless. I don't have job. I'm student, so I cannot go. Uh-huh. Yeah, I got a scholarship here, but scholarship also is very limited. Yeah, and it is very limited, and it is just enough for 1 month, 2 month, for one semester. Yeah, I have sometimes I buy a cheap food in the school in the canteen. Yeah, sometimes I eat mien and mien plus egg. Yeah, like in Indonesia, super mie. Yeah, Indomie. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. If it is okay, I would like to ask you some questions. Maybe I do not know because I'm also interested to talk about your experiences during working or living in many foreign countries as a migrant workers. Yeah, is it okay? For example, yeah, yeah. Thank you very much because for me, yeah, because I this is my first time going abroad, so of course I do not have many experiences and I do not know much, yeah, because uh, uh, a very few experiences about living in abroad. And in Dubai, I think that and then some nowhere else. Amina, only in Dubai and Taiwan. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, yeah, good. Yeah. And you are working in the agency, right? Manpower agency. So, uh, what is your job descriptions? What what is your job descriptions? What? Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Good. Yeah. So, where do you learn Chinese, and how long does it take to be fluent in Chinese? How long does it take for you to learn Chinese? Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, nice job, yeah. I think that it is also decent work, yeah. And also many people also dream for that work, I think, yeah, because you do not work very hard, I think, yeah. I mean that really, yeah, I think, yeah, of course not easy. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, good, yeah, good. And you have family. Oh. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. 谢谢. Oh, good. Different, yeah. I say 谢谢, and her pronunciation is very good. Yeah, 谢谢. I cannot. I do not know. To me, Chinese is little bit difficult, but maybe we can learn. and takes time a little bit longer to learn Chinese. Okay, and Santi, this is your first time in Taiwan? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. And it's been how long have you been here? 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. And your your ama or akong is now beside you, and is it okay for you to speak, to talk? I mean, is it okay? Oh, lying in the bed. Yeah, Sri Rahayu, and maybe she cannot talk with us. Yeah, maybe she just listen. It's okay. No, it is not a big problem. And I'm very glad to meet all of you tonight. And I think that you have a very big potential uh, to be somebody. And then, yeah, somebody that I mean is, of course, you can get a can achieve uh, a best career in your life, yeah. Karena yeah, I try to talk with you in English, and you can explain, you can reply all the questions correctly, and and understood, yeah, understandable also. And I'm very excited, yeah, and it shows that, yeah, you have a potential, and you can speak English. It is good, yeah, and maybe you also can find out jobs in Indonesia, for example, if you want to go back. But yeah, overseas provide a lot of jobs, like Vida said to us. Yeah, and I think that in terms of conversations, there is no bigger problem that I found. Yeah, I can understand what you are saying about. I'm quite understand. It is clear for me. Yeah, and maybe for theory, yeah, of course there is a deficit, but it is also no bigger problem. Yeah, because you also have a basic. I see that you have a basic, and this is good. This is good. True. Yeah. Honestly, this is good because you also understand my questions. You can answer my questions. You can explain, and this is good. Yeah. And I think that your all of your level is not in the beginning. Yeah. I think that I can say intermediate. Yeah. And therefore, in this class, we have three important topics. The first is structure, the second is will be writing, and the third is reading. And for conversation, there is no bigger problem. Structure and writing, I think that this is the problem, not only your problem, also my problem. Yeah, as as a teacher, or maybe a people's problem also. This is a problem for everyone. Writing is not easy. Yeah, writing is not easy. Yeah, writing is not easy. So that's why I think that, yeah, structure is, I think structure you can understand. Yeah, because there is a pattern, there is a formula, and you just follow that pattern, and then you try to make a sentence, and then, yeah, you will see the result, whether it is correct or not. And so is it okay if I speak English with you, or maybe you want me to mix it, to combine? Oh yeah, you miss the words, yeah. Could be. You miss the word. Yeah, that's good. No problem, Wida. Jadi kemarin hari Minggu itu saya dapat peraturan baru dari akademik. Katanya konsultasi kita ada 6 kali pertemuan. Jadi di pertemuan kita yang kedua ini kita masih membahas masalah structure. Structure ini ya masalah structure 2. Jadi kita masih bisa mengacu kepada PowerPoint yang saya berikan kemarin, karena menurut saya itu cukup lengkap dan mudah untuk dipahami. Ya, tergantung juga jika ada yang mau kamu tanyakan, saya bisa jawab hari ini. Kalau bisa saya jawab dan saya terangkan, dan kalau waktunya masih ada atau di lain waktu. Nah, jadi saya sudah bagikan PowerPoint-nya ya di grup kita. Nah, bisa dibuka, itu ada mengenai question tag. Yes, question tag. Question tag. Jadi kita malam ini berbicara mengenai question tag dan berbicara mengenai passive voice. Jadi topik ini sangat penting juga, tidak bisa kita neglect, tidak bisa kita ignore ya, karena memang sering kita gunakan dalam percakapan sehari-hari, terutama untuk yang tenses. Saya akan mulai dengan yang namanya question tag. Coba dibuka semuanya ya, apanya PowerPoint-nya. Yes, open your PowerPoint. Gimana? Passive voice-nya buka masih yang kemarin aja. Nanti yang kemarin sama di buku nanti ada kan? Di bukunya. Sebentar ya. Oke. Coba question tags ya. Jadi ada question tag ini. Question tag ini sering kita gunakan dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Lihat langsung halaman kedua ya. Halaman pertama kan hanya judul ya. What is question tags ya? Ini adalah question tag, ini adalah pertanyaan singkat ya. Jadi dalam bahasa Indonesia dia sering dinamakan dengan kan. Dia suka apel kan? Nah, kira-kira gitu. Cuman kan itu adalah untuk penegasan daripada dia suka enggak, kira-kira gitu ya. Jadi itu adalah kalimat singkat di akhir daripada kalimat atau pernyataan ya. Buka slide ketiga. Jadi ada they are mainly used ya, mereka tuh artinya question tag itu sering kalimat-kalimat pada question tag itu sering digunakan dalam kalimat apabila kita ingin yang pertama confirm ya. Confirm artinya apa? Yes, memastikan, meyakinkan bahwa sesuatu itu benar atau tidak. Ya. Atau bisa juga dia untuk to encourage ya, a reply from the person we are speaking to, dari orang yang akan atau meminta jawaban ya, encourage a reply, jawaban dari seseorang yang kita bicarakan, itu yang kita ajak berbicara from the person we are speaking to ya. Coba lihat slide keempat. Nah, bentuk daripada question tag ini kan ada dua, ada positif, ada negatif ya. Maka kalau nanti kalimatnya adalah positif ya, kalau nanti kalimatnya positif, maka question tag-nya adalah negatif. Sebaliknya juga demikian. Kalau nanti